Welcome to our channel. If you want to improve Wi-Fi speed when accessing the Medicaid portal, follow these simple steps to optimize your internet connection. Step 1. Check your current internet speed by using a speed test website like speedtest.net to establish a baseline measurement. Step 2. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router if possible, as distance and physical obstacles like walls can significantly reduce signal strength and speed. Step 3. Restart your router by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This often resolves temporary connection issues and improves speed. Step 4. Close unnecessary browser tabs and applications running on your device that may be consuming bandwidth in the background. Step 5. Clear your browser cache and cookies, which can slow down web page loading. Go to your browser settings and find Clear Browsing Data. Step 6. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version, as newer versions often have performance improvements. Step 7. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi frequency band if your router supports it. Many modern routers offer both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, with 5 GHz typically providing faster speeds but shorter range. Step 8. Disconnect other devices from your Wi-Fi network that aren't actively being used, as they may be consuming bandwidth. Step 9. Consider using an Ethernet cable connection directly to your router for the most stable and fastest connection when accessing the Medicaid portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.